Hi, I'm A-list celebrity makeup artist Hayley Sparks, and today we're looking at the amazing Lash and Lid Foaming Cleanser and Cleansing Brush from Nuvo Lashes. This gentle foaming cleanser is specially designed to encourage deep down lash and lid hygiene by thoroughly cleansing and conditioning the eye area and removing harmful irritants. It's perfect for both lash extensions and natural lashes. For natural lashes, use as part of your daily regime. If lash extensions are your thing, I'd use foaming cleanser 2 to 3 times a week. I love this cleanser because it doesn't strip the lashes of keratin or the eye area of natural oils and moisture. And to keep your lashes and eye area healthy, balanced and in check, the Lash and Lid Foaming Cleanser contains antibacterial properties and powerful prebiotic active ingredients. These protect your eyes and lashes from harmful bacteria to make itching, redness and irritations a thing of the past, which also makes this cleanser absolutely perfect if you have sensitive eyes. To apply, simply use your fingertip or the handy Nuvo Lashes cleansing brush. The bristled layers deliver a deep cleanse of the lash and lid area. Pump the foam onto clean fingertips or onto the brush, then massage the foam into the lash and lid area. Avoid touching your eyes directly and rinse with water. Finally, here's an expert tip from me. This cleansing foam is also perfect for cleaning makeup brushes and strip lashes between use. It's also wonderful to use alongside the gentle eye makeup remover for thoroughly clean eye areas and ultimate eye health. Lash and Lid Foaming Cleanser from Nuvo Lashes, giving you the power of the eye.